I love September because fall, so you know what that means for my theme. In this video, I will be planning out my month of September, as you can see. September is such a bittersweet time for me because it means that summer is ending and school is starting, and it's also a transition between seasons. So I wanted to stick to earthy tones, some browns, some reds, yellow maybe, because you know I love yellow, I can't get enough of it. Just like 83% of you voted on my last plan with me, because I put a little poll if you missed that, and I'll put a poll in this one as well probably for what I should do for next month, so make sure whenever that pops up that you do that one as well. Anyways, now I'm going to go over to the voiceover so you guys can actually know what I'm doing. So first, I'm starting off with my title page, and as you can see, I messed up and then I ripped out the page and put it back in. But it's just a basic title page with a calendar, some doodles. I'm not an artist. I tried my very best though to make some cool looking leaves. And then here I am just doing my collage that I do every month. Since the beginning I've done this. It's tons of fun. I just get the pictures from Pinterest and paste them in. And then I am moving on to my next spread, which is important dates. Comment down below what your favorite season is. If you couldn't tell, mine is definitely fall, and I'd love to know what yours is and why. If you are enjoying this video, I would really appreciate it if you could give it a like as well so that I know you want to see more bullet journaling videos. So I finished up my important date spread. I just put all the numbers along the side, and then I'm moving on to books read in that month. And I really like doing this spread because it's just something I like to keep track of. And then I'm moving on to writing out September on 4 different pages for every week in the month. And I just do that because I like to pre-plan the pages, I guess. And then here is me doing one of my weekly spreads, my first one. And I really love how my handwriting looked in this. I don't know, I just love the font, and I think I'm going to be doing this again, I don't know, next month or maybe the month after that, but I definitely want to come back to this font because I really love it, and it is really simple. So I'm just doing some basic doodles with a gel pen, or a couple of different gel pens I should say. And yeah, that's basically it for that spread. Pretty simple. Oh yeah, I put a picture on every page with some washi tape. So then when I'm planning during the month, I only have to have my pens with me. I don't need my washi tape to decorate it because I just decorate it now. Because I am lazy and this is the simplest thing to do. So I'm just putting down the washi tape. I like to mix it up and use different types of washi tape because I also love collecting washi tape. And then I'm moving on to my September reflection page, and I just wrote that out and did a little box. And I'm adding in some detail with a gold gel pen. Then I'm doing my quote, which you will see soon as I write it out. It says, "Autumn, rain, tea, and a good book." I have not been really working on my calligraphy, so it's kind of gotten worse, so I really need to pick that up again. The only time I'm really practicing it is in my bullet journal, and I only do that once a month with the calligraphy. For the rest of the month, it's basically just me writing things, so I need to figure out another way to practice my calligraphy. So if there's something you guys want me to do, let me know down below. I really hope you guys like how this month turned out. And that was my month of planning. Make sure you subscribe and click the little bell to be notified when I post more crafting videos. If you enjoyed seeing me plan out this month, you should catch up with last month's plan with me. It'll be linked on the screen. All you have to do is tap or click to watch that. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time.